At Centregreat Engineering, every decision we make, every project we deliver is built on a foundation of keeping our people, our partners, and our clients safe. Today, we're hosting a special event focused on influencing behaviour to improve safety on site, bringing together our clients, including Vinci and Network Rail, and our own employees to explore how positive behavioural change can make a lasting impact across the industry.
My name's James Davis and I'm the Scaffolding Director for Centregreat Engineering. So people will arrive around 8:30, there'll be tea and introductions, and then they'll actually sit on this stage here. Our safety consultant partner, Nudge Safety, will be coming in and leading the demonstration and the workshop. And there's a few sort of different sectors to the day, and then it'll all finish about 1 o'clock, and then hopefully everyone will leave more educated and have a better understanding on scaffolding and working at height.
The training is being delivered by Stuart Room from Nudge Safety, whose expertise in behavioural psychology helps teams think differently about safety, not just what we do, but how and why we do it.
Hi, I'm Stuart Room. I'm the founding director of Nudge Safety. I've been here today with Centregreat Engineering, and we've been facilitating a behavioural workshop. Some of the topics we've covered today, thinking around how people act and how people communicate to each other, the power of stopping and reporting when something isn't right. And we've used a few games and scenarios throughout the day just to help people encourage that out of their system. We've looked at stepping outside of your comfort zone and how that can be powerful in actually having the correct way to challenge somebody or an unsafe situation, and putting some of the guys in a sort of a unique position to challenge themselves. So initially, when we started today, I opened the session that we were going to go through some legislation, which was very paperwork heavy, and you could just see that people were not engaged with that. But how we do things in Nudge Safety was to open it up to them, say that's not how we're going to do it, played some games with them, they relaxed into it, made a bit of a joke about things with a serious message, and then people started engaging better, had a bit of reaction from the crowd, and by the end of the day everyone was laughing and joking, and hopefully goes home with the right message that they can draw on later on when they're on site.
Today has been about sharing knowledge, building confidence, and strengthening our commitment to working safely. To close the day, here's James Davies, our Scaffolding Director, with his thoughts on how the event went.
It went very well. The feedback we've had from our clients and the guys has been good. I think they've all learned something today about scaffolding and how it's erected safely, dismantled safely, and everyone's taken something away with them. Been very positive.